They are captivated by you. They think that you are a whole nother worldly being from another dimension or galaxy. Ever since they met you, their world has never been the same. For some of you, this individual is married. And ever since their encounter with you, they want to leave this marriage. For some of you, they've actually left this marriage. They are fixated on you. They can't stop thinking about you. They're trying to understand, why are you making them feel this way? They cannot grasp the emotion that you invoke within them. They try to study you, try to study why you make them feel the way that you do. And it just doesn't make any sense. It does bother them because they feel to themselves that they think about you too much and it's not normal. How can someone take over their whole mind, is what they think. Why can I not stop thinking about them? For some of you, this individual goes as far as to stalk you on social media. They feel like it's wrong, but they can't help it. They just want to learn everything about you. And it still doesn't make sense. They've never felt the way that they do with you. And they feel deep down that nothing will become of this actual situation. And it leads them into deep despair. Deep despair of hurt. Hurt knowing that they're only going to be seen as just a friend to you and nothing else. But they can't deny the depths of emotions that they feel for you. The emotions that engulf them, that penetrate through them. Every time they see you, they feel like they have to hold back. But what they want most in the world is to be yours. Is to settle down with you. Is to be seen in the same light that they see you in. For some of you, if you are a masculine listening to this is a female. And she wants you to view her as the ultimate prize. She wants to provide for you. She wants to nurture you. She wants to take care of you. She wants to mother you. No one has ever made her feel this way. For some of you, if you are a feminine listening to this person sees you as a full package. They put you up on a pedestal. No one has ever moved them in this way before. They feel like you're from another galaxy, you're not from here. How can someone be so beautiful, kind, radiate love from within, be creative, animated? It's just too much. This individual felt like people can only have certain traits, not embody all the traits that they were looking for in a person, in a partner. They wasn't even thinking about being in a relationship with anyone until they met you and you appeared. And it's like, where did you come from? They cannot compare you to anyone. They've tried to. They've tried to compare you to their exes, to those that they know who have romantic feelings for them in the now. And they have just come to this conclusion that you must be from another planet. How can someone have that effect to make them want to risk it all? Risk it all in regards to breaking down their own foundations just to experience you. How can someone move them with their mind, with their intellect? They feel like they can talk to you for hours and never get bored. They find your mind so intriguing. The way you analyze and dissect concepts, your interest are so attractive to this individual. Just when they thought they worked you out, you surprise them with your knowledge, with what you enjoy doing in your spare time, your favorite films, the books that you read. It's like, this is just too much. And they try to sabotage this connection for some of you. For others of you, if this person felt like others were getting close to you, they try to sabotage those connections. They're trying to understand why they're acting so reckless, delirious when it comes to you. Everyone can see. And they're not even aware that they are exposing the fact that they are so drawn to you, so attracted to you. Their eyes light up whenever they see you, whenever they hear your name. You ignite a spark, a passion within this person that was dormant. And for some of you, they feel like they can never, ever expand on this connection. And this keeps them up at night. It makes them feel mentally conflicted. Their soul yearns for you. This is what their soul has been waiting for all their life. And now that they have encountered you, they feel like they can't grasp you. They feel like it's unfair, which leads them into despair and sadness. For some of you, this person knows that they're only going to be seen as just a friend. You could belong to the same friend group. And this person feels so far away, even within this friend group, even when they are around you. Trapped in love. A one-sided love for some of you. But feeling this potent intensity to be in a relationship with you. You have transformed this individual. For some of you, this person is intensely obsessed with you. They breathe you, they feel you, they think of you all the time. And they try to forget about you, but they can't. For some of you, this connection has ended. This friendship, whatever it was, it's ended. And they can't cope. They cannot cope with this end. You are everything that they could ever want. They find you handsome, compassionate, sweet-natured, romantic, and they fantasize about you and them being together, running away and leaving everyone behind. And it's just a fantasy because they feel like deep down it will never be a reality. Because for some of you, you're already in a connection. And this person is willing or was willing to be a third party in that connection. They feel like it's not fair. They feel like they should be the one to get to experience you because you're not like the rest. They've never met anyone like you before. Someone so magical, someone that sparkles, someone that has this high vibration. Someone that has this raw essence. Someone that they wanted to settle down with. For some of you, if you are single and if this individual is single, this person wants forever with you. They're seeing their whole future in your eyes. They're seeing you having children, settling down and living a quiet, peaceful life. Raising your children together. With good morals and values. The person wants to marry you because they feel like you are their match. They always felt like the outsider. They always felt like whenever they dated certain people, they were always given the short end of the stick, but not with you. You have a very siren, mermaid-like energy, whether you are a masculine or a feminine. You are able to balance out your masculine and feminine sides. And this person wants to give to you, even if you are a masculine, they want you to be in the receiving energy. They want to nurture you. They want to spoil you with love. They want to settle down with you, grow old with you, have it all with you. And they are ready to compete for you. Because with an energy like yours, they have never experienced before. And they know that your energy is something that is magical, something that is elusive. They can't grasp you, they can't read you. You're a mystery. You're hypnotic. You've hypnotized this individual. They are so deeply in love with you. And they will do whatever it takes to keep you in their life, even if it means to take others down to get to their target, which is you. They don't even understand how competitive they look in their aggressive pursuit to capture your energy for themselves, because they feel like, I can't lose this. I cannot lose this. Because they know that an energy like yours is rare. And to connect with an energy like yours again will never be in this lifetime. They feel like you're otherworldly. And you are.